Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Silverado 2500 HD. This pickup truck pulls unlike any other and is priced below $70,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, traction control, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, chrome mirror caps, floor mats. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.